All right, tech fans, mark your calendars. Because the iPhone 17 might be officially revealed in less than 2 months. Yep, you heard that right. Apple's next big thing could hit the stage as early as September 9th or 10th, and with rumors flying around faster than an airdrop. We've gathered everything you need to know, from release dates and new models to powerful hardware, sleek design tweaks, and even some wild new camera upgrades. So, if you're thinking of upgrading or just holding off, you'll definitely want to stick around. Trust me, this is not your average iPhone launch. Let's start with the big question: when will Apple unveil the iPhone 17 lineup? According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the event is expected to take place on September 9th or 10th, with pre-orders beginning that same week, possibly September 12th. Historically, Apple launches its iPhones in the first or second week of September, except for the pandemic-era iPhone 12, which was delayed to October. This year, Labor Day falls on Monday, September 1st, which makes Tuesday the 2nd or Wednesday the 3rd a little too early, pointing us to the week of the 9th as the most likely launch window. So, what models should we expect this time? Based on reports, we're looking at a full lineup: iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, and of course, the big one, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And if Apple follows the same pattern as last year, the more affordable iPhone 170 may arrive separately, possibly in February 2026, like this year's iPhone 16e. Now let's talk design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to get a slightly thicker build, clocking in at 8.7 to 5mm. Not a massive change, but just enough to pack more power and cooling. And hey, if you're already carrying a big phone in your pocket, what's half a millimeter more, right? One small, yet oddly satisfying update: the Apple logo is rumored to be moved lower on the back. Sounds minor, but if you're using a clear MagSafe case, you'll appreciate that perfectly centered logo, because nothing screams Apple like obsessive attention to detail. And good news for the aesthetic lovers: a new sky blue color could be added to the mix. Because why settle for basic black when you can have your phone match the morning sky? Let's talk power, and not just the kind you plug into the wall. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is said to include a larger battery and feature adaptive power, a new AI-driven system in iOS 26 that intelligently manages energy use based on demand. Whether it's gaming, video recording, or a group FaceTime with your family that somehow turns into a 2-hour event, this feature could make your phone last longer before needing a charge. And yes, you can finally stop pretending you didn't need more battery life. Apple's making it official: bigger is better, especially when it comes to battery and performance. Now onto one of the biggest selling points: the camera. The iPhone 17 Pro Max might feature a massive redesign on the back, with rumors of a camera island stretching across the rear like a camera continent. According to leaks, we're talking about 3 upgraded for 8MP lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and a new telephoto using tetraprism technology, not to be left out. The front-facing camera could jump to 2 for MP, making your selfies crisp enough to frame on your wall. This also sets the stage for a big feature: dual video recording using both front and rear cameras at the same time, directly in the stock camera app. Great news for vloggers, podcasters, or anyone who wants to film their pet's reaction to their singing. Oh, and did someone say 8K video recording? Yep. Apple is reportedly gearing up for pro-level video capture that could turn your iPhone into a legit filmmaking tool. Perfect for creators, content professionals, or just people who want to record their dog chasing a squirrel in ridiculous detail. But all that power in 8K video means heat, lots of it. That's why the iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to include vapor chamber cooling for the first time. Think of it like the phone's own built-in air conditioning. It uses liquid that evaporates and circulates to keep your iPhone from turning into a pocket-sized toaster. And to handle all of this performance, Apple is reportedly introducing the A19 Pro chip. This beast is designed for lightning-fast processing, real-time AI enhancements, 8K HDR ProRes recording, and improved thermal control. It's Apple's most advanced chip yet, basically the brain of a supercomputer in your hand. Body Section 6, Connectivity and Future Outlook. Let's not forget connectivity. The Pro Max is rumored to support Wi-Fi 7 and maybe even Apple's new C2 modem, built in-house, to eventually replace Qualcomm's hardware. The current C1 modem in the iPhone 16e is power efficient, but lacks top-tier speed, so Apple might save its own modem for budget phones and keep Qualcomm for the Pro line. For now, looking further ahead, Apple might shake up its whole release strategy starting with the iPhone 18. Reports suggest only high-end models like the iPhone 18 Pro, Pro Max, and even a rumored foldable iPhone will launch in fall 2026, with base models coming later. It's Apple's way of doubling down on premium buyers and holiday sales. So, what's the takeaway? The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be a powerhouse with advanced cooling, 8K video, AI optimization, and camera tech that could rival DSLRs. If you're holding on to an older model, this might finally be the leap worth taking. And with the official reveal possibly just weeks away, now's the time to hit pause on any iPhone purchases. Unless you really enjoy buyer's remorse, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our full coverage when the iPhone 17 lineup is officially announced. And hey, if you're curious about what sets the iPhone 17 Pro Max apart from the regular Pro or the upcoming iPhone 17 Air, check out the video right here on the end screen. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.